Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Java unit testing is a crucial part of software development, allowing developers to test individual components of their code to ensure they work as expected. In Java, the most commonly used framework for unit testing is JUnit. This tutorial will walk you through the basics of unit testing in Java using JUnit, including how to set up a project, write test cases, and run them. ## prerequisites. 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have JDK installed on your machine. 2. IDE, an integrated development environment, IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or NetBeans is recommended. 3. JUnit library, you will need the JUnit library. If you're using Maven, you can add it as a dependency. ### setting up a Java project. 1. Create a new project, open your IDE and create a new Java project. 2. Add JUnit dependency, if you're using Maven, add the following dependency to your pom.xml file. ### writing a simple Java class. Let's create a simple class called calculator that we will test. ### writing unit tests. Now, let's write unit tests for the calculator class using JUnit. ### explanation of the test code. 1. Import statements, we import necessary JUnit classes and static methods. 2. Test class, we create a test class calculator test. 3. Test methods, each method annotated with @test is a test case. Assertions, we use assert equals, to check if the expected value matches the actual value returned by the methods in the calculator class. Exception testing, we use assert throws, to test that the divide method throws an illegal argument exception when attempting to divide by 0. ### running the tests. 1. In IDE, most IDEs have built-in support for running JUnit tests. You can usually right-click on the test class or method and select Run or Run with coverage. 2. Using Maven, you can also run the tests from the command line using Maven. ### expected output. If everything is set up correctly, you should see that all tests have passed. If any tests fail, JUnit will provide detailed output about which test failed and why. ### conclusion. Unit testing is a vital part of maintaining high-quality code. By using JUnit, you can easily write and run tests to ensure your code behaves as expected. This tutorial covered the basics, but JUnit provides many more features for testing, including parameterized tests, test suites, and mocking frameworks like Mockito for more complex scenarios. Happy coding!